Hi guys, this is a video about how to insert screen recordings using PowerPoint. So what you want to do is you want to go into Insert first of all and then press on Screen Recording. So this will take a snippet. I've already got a snippet, but you might need to draw it out, and I'm just taking this monitor here. And then when you want to start recording, all you need to do is press record, and then it'll record your audio if you've got that selected, and your pointer if that's selected as well. So all you need to do is press record, and it comes up with this pop-up box saying 3, 2, 1. And then once you're done, you need to just hit at the top, and then it'll come back down, and all you need to do is press the stop button, and it'll be inserted into your previous PowerPoint. And that's how you insert screen recording in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.